Welcome to the Sugar Connect Navigating the Sidebar for Google Workspace video. In this video, we'll outline how to access and navigate the Sugar Connect sidebar in Gmail. The sidebar is the heart of Sugar Connect. It allows you to view and edit Sugar records in Gmail without having to open your Sugar instance. You can access the Sugar Connect sidebar at any time by clicking on the Sugar icon on the right-hand side of your Gmail screen. Just as a heads up, there are some Google themes that hide the right side panel. If you're using one of those themes, be sure to click on the gray tab in the bottom right-hand side of your screen and expand the panel. You should then see the Sugar icon. Now that we've accessed the sidebar, let's take a look at how to navigate it. The default view for the sidebar is the home view. Let's define each of the sidebar's components. At the very top, you have a search bar. You can use the search bar to quickly find specific Sugar records and view and edit them using Sugar Connect. Next, there's Tracked Emails. This section allows users to view a list of emails currently being tracked by Sugar Connect. Tracking Activity allows users to see a list of all email tracking activities in chronological order. Scheduled Emails allows you to view a list of queued, completed, and failed emails that were set to archive or marked to send later using Sugar Connect. Below is a list of Sugar modules. Here you can view a list of your Sugar modules or lists of records, such as opportunities, tasks, calls, and other Sugar records in the sidebar. On the bottom left, you have the back arrow. Clicking this arrow will return us to the previous sidebar screen at any point in time. Finally, on the bottom right, you have your Options button. This is where you can manage your Sugar Connect settings. Now that we've reviewed all the components, let's see them in action. I've navigated to my Gmail account and expanded the Sugar Connect sidebar. Let's start with the search feature. If I'm looking for a specific record, I can use the search bar at the top of the sidebar to search for that item. If I want to narrow my search to a specific module, I can do so by using the filter on the left. By expanding that menu, I'm able to see all the modules I can search in. I can select a specific module, or I can leave it set to search all. When you're ready, you type in your search criteria, hit enter, and the sidebar will load all relevant results. If I found the record I want, I can access it by clicking the item in the list, and the sidebar will take me into the record view. Here I'm able to see all the details for my contact, as well as any related records for that particular item. I can see all the related subpanels down below from here. I can also create additional items or link existing items from here. If I expand the action menu, I have the ability to view this specific record in my Sugar instance, edit the entry with any changes needed, enable auto-archiving to automatically archive any messages to and from this record, or I can refresh the record to pull the most recent information from my Sugar instance. Let's navigate back to the home panel. Now let's look at the email section. The Tracked Emails badge opens a list of individual emails in the order they were sent. Each email displays the total number of opens, link clicks, and replies. The Tracking Activity badge opens a list of all opens, link clicks, and replies in chronological order. A red circle with a number will appear to alert you when you have new tracked activity. The Scheduled Emails badge opens a list of queued, deleted, and failed emails that were set to archive or were marked to send later using Sugar Connect. Now let's take a look at the Sugar Records area. This portion of the Sugar Connect sidebar allows you to navigate through the different modules that are available to you from your Sugar instance. For example, if I want to navigate into my accounts, I can click on that module and I'm taken into the accounts list view. By default, you'll only see records assigned to you, but you can easily apply other filters by clicking on the filter icon at the top of the panel. Any custom filters that you've created will also be available in this list. You also have the ability to perform other actions within the list view on the sidebar by clicking on the action menu. Here you can search for specific records within that module, create a brand new record, or refresh your list to grab their latest records and filters for that module in Sugar. If I click into a record name here, it's going to open up the record view for that item where I can explore the data or update and add information. Lastly, let's take a look at the Sugar Connect Options menu. The Options menu allows you to adjust the following settings. General settings, where you can enable or disable dark mode, save email attachments by default, enable auto-archiving, and relate emails to Sugar contacts and account records on archive. Email tracking options allows you to view and edit options to track email opens, link clicks, and replies. Open Sugar CRM lets you navigate directly to your Sugar URL in the web browser. Open Sugar Connect portal will open the portal in a new tab in your web browser. Documentation will navigate to the Sugar Connect support site in your web browser. And Reload will refresh the connection between Sugar Connect and Sugar to make sure you're getting the most up-to-date information. About Sugar Connect will show connector-related information including the add-in version, Sugar version, and authentication details. Disable Sugar Connect will disable or re-enable the Sugar Connect for Chrome extension without deleting it completely or revoking your credentials. Lastly, Log Out will revoke your login credentials without uninstalling or disabling Sugar Connect. Now that we reviewed the sidebar components, you should have an idea of how to navigate the Sugar Connect sidebar for Google Workspace. Thanks for watching.